Ordering food delivery.
Hello, I want to order some food, please.
Hello, welcome to Omar's Kitchen. How can I help you?
I'd like to place a delivery order.
Of course. Are you calling or using the app?
I'm calling. I don't have the app yet.
No problem at all. What is your name, please?
My name is Maya.
Nice to meet you, Maya. What is your delivery address?
It's 14 Green Street, Apartment 3.
14 Green Street, Apartment 3. Got it.
Yes, that's correct.
And your phone number, please?
It's 077-555-1234.
Perfect. Now, what would you like to order?
Can I see the menu? Oh, wait, I can't. I'm on the phone.
Hey, don't worry. I can tell you today's specials.
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have pizza, pasta, burgers, and salads.
What kind of pizza do you have?
We have margarita, pepperoni, and veggie pizza.
I'd like one margarita pizza, please.
Great choice. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
One medium margarita. Anything else?
Yes, I also want a side salad.
We have green salad or Caesar salad. Which one?
Caesar salad, please.
Perfect. And something to drink?
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, we have fresh orange juice. It's very good.
I'll take one orange juice then.
Excellent. One medium margarita, one Caesar salad, one orange juice.
That's right. How much is it?
The total is $18.50.
Is delivery free?
Delivery is $2 extra, so your total is $20.50.
Okay, that's fine. How do I pay?
You can pay by card or cash at the door.
I'll pay by card. Is that okay?
Yes, our driver has a card reader. No problem.
Great. How long is the wait?
About 30 to 40 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Our driver will call you when he arrives.
Perfect. Thank you, Omar.
You are welcome, Maya. Your order is confirmed.
Oh, one more thing. I have a discount code.
Great. What is the code?
It's TASTY10.
Let me check. Yes. That gives you 10% off.
Oh, wonderful. So how much do I pay now?
Your new total is $18.45.
That's a good saving. Thank you.
My pleasure. We love our loyal customers.
Can I also download the app for next time?
Yes. Search for Omar's Kitchen in the App Store.
Is it free to download?
Yes, it is completely free.
And can I track my order on the app?
Yes. You can see where your driver is on the map.
Oh, that is very useful. I will download it now.
Great. You can also save your address and order again easily.
Can I get notifications when my food is ready?
Yes, the app sends you a message at every step.
That sounds really helpful.
You can also leave a review after your order.
I will definitely leave a good review.
Thank you, Maya. We really appreciate that.
Do you have a special offer on the app?
Yes. New app users get free delivery on their first order.
Oh, that is a great deal.
We also have a loyalty program. Every order gives you points.
What can I do with the points?
You can use them for free food or discounts.
That sounds great. I will order from you often.
We are happy to hear that.
Is there anything I should do before the driver arrives?
Just make sure your door buzzer is working.
Good advice. My buzzer is sometimes broken.
If there is a problem, the driver will call you directly.
That's good to know. Thank you for everything.
Our pleasure. Your food will be hot and fresh.
I am already hungry. I can't wait.
Hey, we will be fast. Enjoy your meal, Maya.
Thank you, Omar. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you for calling Omar's Kitchen.
Place an order. To ask for food you want to buy. Delivery. Bringing food to your home. Address. The place where you live. Specials. Food the restaurant offers today. Side salad. A small salad eaten with your meal. Total. All the money you must pay. Extra. More money you pay on top. Card reader. A machine that takes card payment. Confirmed. Officially accepted and ready. Discount code. A special word that gives you less price. Track. To follow and see where something is. Notification. A message your phone sends you. Review. Your opinion about food or service. Loyalty program. A plan that rewards you for buying often. Points. Numbers you collect to get free things. App Store. A place on your phone to get apps. Buzzer. A button at your door to let people in. Saving. Money you do not spend because of a deal. Now watch again without subtitles. How many food words can you catch? Subscribe for a new English conversation every week.